Hey guys, today we're going to talk about what cryptocurrency is and how it works. So let's get into it. So now we're going to find out what is cryptography. So if I write down here, what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency. Now, according to Investopedia, let me just move it here. It is it's a digital currency which is made using cryptography, and this cryptography makes it nearly impossible to duplicate or double spend it. So as you can see, yep, this is what it is. And now we're gonna just dive into why you can't double spend it. So let's just take a scenario. So we're gonna take a scenario here where you have your phone A. It's your phone. And your phone B. Now you have logged into your crypto account, and that can be anything like crypto.com or Binance, or there's Coinbase. There's a ton of crypto platforms to use to make your transaction. So now we're going to now you have a scenario where you have one Bitcoin, BTC, and now you want to use this one Bitcoin, and you have the same account, okay? Same account. You have same account, and you have one BTC, and now you want to send this one BTC to, let's say, your friend Alice and your friend James. I want to send one BTC from your account to both of them. Well, this won't be possible. If you try to do it, then this is what's going to happen in the system. So when you press the send button, there are something called as miners, and these are basically computers. Now these computers are going to do some work. It has a term called consensus. It falls under the consensus mechanism, and it's also called, I think, proof of work. Yep. Can't get my space. Okay. It's called proof of work, and I'll just take it a bit above. I misspelled James. Okay. take it above. Now this miners will first verify your transaction. That is transaction details. It checks whether it's coming from your private key. And public key, which is a wallet address. And then once it verifies that, and it also sees that if you have one, also checks to see if you have an unspent one BTC. So you have unspent one BTC. It's gonna check the details of your transaction, check the private key, public key, and if it matches to your private key and public key, and then it's gonna, once it has done verifying it, then it's going to let me just take it up. Let me just take it a bit above. Okay. It's going to solve a puzzle, which is basically a big math problem, a big mathematical. Did I spell it right? Mathematical. See? A mathematical problem. And so this way both of your transactions will pass, and then it's going to solve a mathematical problem, and whichever solves first, and this uses a lot of power and electricity. And whichever miner solves it first, let me just take it there on the side. That transaction in which case is a block will be added to the blockchain. So basically, let's change the color. If Alice's transaction went first and solves the problem, this will be accepted and this will be discarded. So Alice will get 1 BTC and James will get none. So that's how the crypto system works when it's sending crypto. So now we're gonna dive into what is private key and what it does and the process. So let's get into it. So that's how it prevents double spending, and it works all the time. And That's it. So now we're gonna get into what cryptography is and what's private key. So let's get into it.